Yes, beta. What will it carry? What do you think? What will it carry? Messenger means what will it carry? It will carry message for protein synthesis. So this is what I was telling you, that this DNA has two strands. On the basis of this strand, a new strand will be formed. And that strand which is formed is known as messenger RNA, mRNA, messenger RNA. And as you know, the difference between the nitrogenous bases which are present in DNA and RNA. What is the difference between the nitrogenous bases which are present in DNA and RNA? Anybody who can answer this question? Are the same bases, are the same nitrogenous bases present in DNA as well as RNA? Or there is some difference? The bases which are present in DNA and RNA are different or same? Yes, beta? The nitrogenous bases present in DNA and RNA are same or different? Who's going to answer my question? Different. Yes, Amrita, they are different. But how do they differ? I want to know, how do they differ, beta? How do these bases differ from each other? Yes, Amrita, uracil, uracil, very good. Where is this uracil present? Where is this uracil present, Amrita? RNA, that's very nice. And in place of uracil, which is present in RNA, what does DNA have? DNA doesn't have uracil. Then what does it have? What does DNA has? Thymine. Thymine is present in DNA. Thymine is present in DNA. And thymine is present in RNA. When both the sides are working, then only the good results come. If you think that just by ma'am is teaching and it's our wish whether we go through it again or not, don't think that the good results will come. You will also have to put efforts, because to get positive results, the efforts are required from both the sides, teacher and the student. Then only the outcome is very good. So before also I have told you, now also I'm telling you, 11th is the basis for 12th. If you understand everything in 11th, 12th will be very easy for you. So, and understanding means you can ask questions, you can ask 10 times. See, we teachers are here to help you. We will help you. We will answer your questions. We will repeat the topic 10 times. But what do we want? We want that you should be thorough with every topic. You should know every topic thoroughly. So right now I asked a very simple question, that what is the difference of the nitrogenous bases between DNA and RNA, which I have told so many times, but only one girl could answer. And same way I gave you a question and I haven't received. I think there are 18 students, and out of all 18 students, just only one girl, Sanvi Rana, has replied, and one boy from whom I was expecting answer, Rohan, he was absent. But there are many more students whom I think they will do. Amrita, Jasleen, Yashika, Harsha, Deepika, Mannat, Priya, all are good and all are sensible and hardworking students. But because online teaching is going on, that is why you're not putting efforts or you're not taking it seriously. But this is the only option left for us. So we will have to really put our best efforts even in the online teaching. So today again, I give you time and you all are going to answer my question. ATP is a modified nucleotide. Justify the statement. This is the question for today also. Yesterday, Sanvi, very good, beta. You have done the question. I appreciate your efforts. And now today I'm expecting the other girls, and the boys, Sarthak, Lalit, Sepak, all are there. You all to answer the question. A with a double bond, C and G with a triple bond, and G and C with a triple bond. This is a pairing. So now on the basis of here, when the messenger RNA is formed, and this process of formation of messenger RNA on the basis of nitrogenous bases which are present on template strand, this process is known as transcription. So here if we have A, now because messenger RNA has to be formed and A always pairs with T, but this is RNA, so A will pair with U. This doesn't have T, so U will be placed here. RNA has C, so C, this C, RNA has G, this T, again A, this A with T, but RNA doesn't have T, so with U. Now this strand is formed on the basis of nitrogenous bases which are present on the template strand. So this messenger RNA is formed. And this messenger RNA which is formed, where it is formed? It is formed inside the nucleus. Now this is the message in the form of the bases which it is carrying. See, when we want to convey a message to somebody, we speak because we are able to speak. Bazaar se wo la dena. So we speak, we are able to speak. But this, the language of protein synthesis is this, are these nitrogenous bases which are formed on messenger RNA. So which protein has to be formed, that message is, coded, present in the coded form on this messenger RNA. Now the protein synthesis doesn't take place inside the nucleus. The protein synthesis doesn't take place inside the nucleus. The protein synthesis takes place in the cytoplasm. This is cytoplasm outside the nucleus. Because for the formation of protein or for protein synthesis, we need ribosomes. We need ribosomes. Ribosomes are protein factories, you all know, and these ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm. So that is why the protein synthesis cannot take place in the nucleus. The protein synthesis takes place in the cytoplasm, because ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm and not in the nucleus. Now, the message for the synthesis of protein is coded in this messenger RNA. Which protein has to be synthesized, what type of protein has to be synthesized, all that message is present in this messenger RNA in the coded form. So what happens? This messenger RNA has to synthesize the protein here. This message has to be brought in the cytoplasm for the ribosomes to synthesize protein, because ribosomes are protein factories. So from the nucleus, this ribosome, it comes out. This is not ribosome, messenger RNA, it comes out. And this messenger RNA carries a coded message for, in the form of nitrogenous bases, for the synthesis of proteins. Is it clear, or any point you want me to discuss? This is messenger RNA. Any point you want me to discuss, or this is clear? Amrita, this is clear. Okay. Others? Yes. Yashika, clear. Rohan, clear. Fine. Others? Jasleen is there. Sanvi, fine. This is clear. I'm getting your message. Sanvi, very good, beta. Keep it up. Keep doing it. Keep doing the work which is given by me. And others also. Today I'll wait again for your answers. Hope you all, because that is not a very long answer, that ATP is a modified nucleotide. That is not a very long answer. That is just a paragraph answer. Write in a paragraph and send it to me. Yes, Harsha, are you able to understand? Could you understand what I taught? Harsha, Deepika, about messenger RNA, is it clear? Okay, so there is another messenger, another RNA, which is known as tRNA. The name already I told you, tRNA. And what about that tRNA? So this, I'll. So this messenger RNA, it brings the coded message for the synthesis of protein. mRNA, where it is synthesized, where it is formed, synthesized inside the nucleus. And what it carries, mRNA, it has the coded message in the form of nitrogenous bases. I'm writing only nitrogen bases, in the form of nitrogen bases for the synthesis of protein, One more thing, messenger RNA synthesized inside the nucleus, and the process of synthesis is transcription, by the process of transcription. Now it is it has a coded message in the form of nitrogen bases for the synthesis of proteins. Okay, now where does it go? Messenger RNA comes out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm to carry out the process of protein synthesis. Okay, from the nucleus, it comes out into the cytoplasm to carry out the process of protein synthesis. Now, one of the strands of DNA, which is known as template strand, that forms the basis for the formation of messenger RNA. One of the strands of DNA, that is which strand? Template strand. Template strand forms the basis for the synthesis of messenger RNA in the nucleus. I told you this is template strand and this is coding strand of DNA, and on the basis of the nitrogen bases which are present on the template strand, this messenger RNA is synthesized. Any question, any query based on this? Yes, Peta, any question or any query which is based on this you want to ask? Okay. Fine. You should have questions sometimes, because when I ask, then you people are not able to answer my question, isn't it? So no problem. If you do not have any query, I'll start with the next topic. Depends how much time I have.